With the next exhale, we're going to find a little rhythm. Find it in your fingers. And keep breathing. Shaking your fingers. From your fingers and your wrists. Shake. Elbows. Shoulders. Feel the rhythm and just keep breathing. Shake your spine. Your hips, your knees, your legs. Just shake it out, shake it out. Your neck, your head, your whole body. Shake it. Make the shaking bigger, as big as you dare. Keep breathing. And now back to the fingers. Rub your hands together. Starting at the top of the head, tapping gently. We are releasing, we are awakening. This is an ancient technique with a lot of modern science to back it up. Get your eyes, your cheekbones, shoulders, arms, your tummy, legs, and back up to the floor. Brush your head, your neck, your arms. Brush, release, release. Brush your chest open, soften. Brushing your sides. Brushing down your legs. Brushing. And now finding that rhythm. Jumping in your seats. Feel the rhythm. You can't feel the rhythm, feel your heart. The rhythm is there. Give it full expression. Have fun. Move. Shake. Tap. Brush. Jump. Just move your body. Breathe. And activate your voice. Allow your